Now, this is Jack's dinner. It's 24-hour slow cook casserole of chicken. It's about half a chicken in there, potatoes and all sorts. But it's so good. I'm going to pinch some of it for myself. There's another half chicken in the fridge. It's only free-range chicken, and not supermarket. Line free-range, proper free-range. The butcher here in Glastonbury checks it out. It goes out to farms. They are birds walking about in the sunshine. So I'm going to have this. And Jack has just emptied almost this much down his face. And look at, he's 8 kilograms, actually might be a bit more now. And his bowl was empty. That was full of this. Right, Jack, I'm having some. Perhaps with a little red wine.